What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price had a big drop off. Not just Bitcoin, but just about every coin out there right now had a big drop off. We're talking 10, some 20%, some even bigger, guys. Luckily, the Bitcoin price is only sitting around 11% right now. But in general, guys, this is the dip that you want to be buying, and I can't stress enough why. It's because we're in a bull market. So when we get this kind of dip, it's the opportunity to buy. I'm going to keep this video even really short and sweet, just get into why I think that it's a dip and, why I think you guys should still be bullish on Bitcoin right now. And guys, don't forget, I am doing the giveaway for the Ledger Nano S. It is based on your comments in the comments section of the randomly selected video, which will be done during Christmas. So guys, make sure that you're commenting a lot if you want that ledger. And if you're new to the channel, this is a channel I can help you make money. And guys, I'm a full-time trader, so if you're looking to make more on your trades and make more money, this is the channel for you. Guys, I wanted to get right into the price action on Bitcoin. Be sure to subscribe and like. All right, guys, so check it out. As you can see, we're having a big drop down here. We followed this ascending wedge all the way up to the top. It looked like we had an ascending triangle, but actually broke down to the downside. Like if we were to draw that in, a line there, but then a breakdown. Now, guys, the reason I'm not worried yet is because we're still following this legacy line right here. So as long as we don't break down past that, for instance, we've been following it since, October. So I think that as long as we can stay in this bullish momentum, we're still in good shape. But if we were to break down a little lower, we could easily be retesting with a 20% drop, 25%, let's say 25% drop, we'd be down at 14,503. Now guys, I think as long as we're still, staying above this purple line, like let's say worst case scenario, everybody's selling off, it's a panic sell, yada yada yada. This purple line here is your legacy line, and as long as we're staying above that, we're still on a bullish trajectory. Other than that, if it breaks down below the purple line, I'd be bearish short term, even midterm. But guys, I really do believe that we are in a bull market, and the reason for that is the phases. Okay, you have bear market, accumulation phase, expansion phase, reaccumulation phase, and then a bull market. Okay, so we left the reaccumulation phase post halving. Okay, so we entered into a bull market, and with a bull market, you're going to see these big pullbacks here, but still be on a bullish trajectory. Okay, so even if you think to what we can see just right here, so from right here to right here, that's a 20% drop. From right here to here, that's a 16% drop. So guys, we're used to seeing these kind of drops. I think this is the bottom for it right now. Obviously, we hit down at 16,200. It definitely dropped pretty big. But in general, we're getting a little bit of a recovery here. Hopefully, we can bounce back up and just start to retest some of these higher levels again. Like, I really want to see 20,000 broken this year. That would just be really a good sign. And, everybody was upset seeing this big drop off. We want to see the Bitcoin price continue to pump up to the moon. But guys, in reality, whenever something is pumping up really strong, it's going to have a pullback eventually. Okay, nothing just goes straight up. Okay, so, when I was saying hopefully hitting 20,000, we hit 19,500. That's pretty close, guys. So, let's be real here. It doesn't get much better than that. In reality, yes, you could have taken, if you would have gotten in anywhere, around 17, yeah, you could have taken profits at 19,500, basically, and then still got in right back where you are now. I've been back on the same trajectory. But guys, try not to hold yourself to that kind of accountability, because you don't exactly know where the market's going. You can only, try to project it out and try to, analyze where it's going to go. But in reality, it kind of does what it wants to some degree. So, for instance, I think we're going to get something like this now. Just kind of a slow move back up. Hopefully something like that, just kind of pushing up. It might take a little longer than that. We could be pushing into like mid-December before we're up at like 20,500 or something. But that's assuming this isn't a trend reversal, okay, guys? Remember, the trend is your friend until what? The end, okay? So if this is the end of the trend and things would start breaking down, that's an indicator. This is the first step of could be many downtroughs, okay? And again, guys, if we broke down from even where we are now, just to that purple line, that's another 30%. So, guys, Bitcoin has seen these big drops, guys. I just want you guys to be very aware of it. And don't forget, guys, we are at extreme greed on the fear and greed index, guys. I've talked about that several times. And the last several times, you think back to 2017, in that bull run, we had many 20% pullbacks, okay? But then still pumped way up. Okay, guys, and if you notice the fear and greed index, whenever the fear and greed index is really high, that's when we get those pullbacks. So I think that's why we had this pullback. Fear and greed index was at basically all-time highs for this year. And I think that's, why we got the pullback, guys. But I can't stress enough, I wanted to keep this short, like I said. Don't panic sell. Hold on, be strong. We are still in a bull market. We're going to be in a bull market for the next year and change. And I think with that kind of, bullish momentum, this is just a hill in what's going to be an even higher run up next. Okay, guys, so just be patient. Hold your bags. Just be very patient here, guys. I can't stress enough. And for those of you guys in altcoins or any other coins going on right now, just hold on. I'm seeing, board wide red here. Okay, XRP was just up at like 70 cents, and now it's back down for a 24% drop. Big drops, guys. People taking profits all over the place right now. And I've noticed also it's pretty religious for Thanksgiving, guys, and it kind of slipped my mind, to be honest with you guys. I didn't notice it right until right now, but in reality, we've had a dump the last 3 Thanksgivings in a row. So in general, guys, I think this is definitely some time the profits are going to be taken, but I think over the next few months we're going to get back right up to where we were, and we're just going to be continuing this bullish momentum, guys. So this is the opportunity to buy the dip. I know it's scary, but this is the time to get in, guys. If you're not in already, this is the time to jump in. All right, guys, and that's all I have time for today. I said I was going to keep it real short and sweet. And guys, it's Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys are having a good Thanksgiving. Hope you're having great times with families. I'm going to be going to visit my parents and hang out with my wife and kids, and good times on the holidays. So look forward to them very much. I hope you guys have some good things planned. And guys, just be kind to one another, take care of one another. These are still trying times. Either the pandemic's been kicking up again. There's been talk about some US regulations for crypto. That's been definitely scaring a lot of people. And guys, I think, still crypto is the future, and with much potential to the upside. I think that we're going to start to see that really become readily apparent over the next few years, and not just some big pump. Okay, guys, so anyway, that's all I have time for today. Be sure to subscribe and like. I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.